you are about to become a pro digital creator, a pro animator, and a pro art designer. Things we do with Adobe that takes us 4 hours, 5 hours. I am going to show you how to combine pictures in a silhouette using only ChatGPT. All you need, I've always told you about ChatGPT, is a prompt. And this is applicable in so many ways. This will generate a lot of income and revenue for a lot of people. You can use this for movie and film posters. Number 2, for music and album artwork. All the album artwork that we see on CDs, on people's albums, you can use this for it. Number 3, personal branding. You can use your picture and brand it in a different way using this method I'm going to show you today. Let's get straight into this. The app we are going to use, like I said earlier, is ChatGPT. We're adding photos. I already have the pictures I want to use. Now I'm adding this Arabian man, then that red-eyed man, this gentleman, and this old man, and the genie. I'm adding all of them, and I'm opening them on ChatGPT. Our images are opening. That's fast. We have our images already. We are going to add our prompt. Now, this is a prompt I'm using. Create a double exposure portrait of the man with red eyes. Now, I'm going to use the man with the red eyes as the major thing. So let's punch in our prompt. Don't worry about the prompt. You have everything inside the description below. The pictures are added already. You can see all the 5 images I added. The prompt is create a double exposure portrait of the man with red eyes. Always say double exposure portrait of what you want to use as the major architect of it. Add Arabian War as the title of the movie. Now our image is created. See what we have. The Arabian War. This is like a movie. This is cool. This is solid. I use the red eye man as the major character. You see is the one, and everyone is lined under it. And see the Arabian War. I say it should use a contrast or a contrasting color. You know, and the architecture I spoke about, you see it? You see? Those are the architecture. Then look at this. I used my 3 pictures. I said create a double exposure with the first portrait. That's the first portrait. You need to tell it the main one you want to use. And I'm using a masterpiece picture of celebration. Make it warm, heavenly, and bold. You see what I want to write, I wrote it there for it. Celebrating the icon. And you see, that's the first picture I used. And other pictures, I combined it. I gave me an extra one with my face. That's this one. This one is with my face. And you can see celebrating the icon. It did it perfectly well. This is so good. Let's do the third one. Now I have added this old man. I said create a professional double exposure poster featuring the silhouette of the man in the close-up profile. I have world apart. Then there's a snow mountain I described. Let's check it out ourselves. It's loading. Remember to always put the cinematic poster style. You have all this prompt. All you have to do is just add your own design or what you want to create into it. That is all you need to do. But this prompt will really help you do everything you want to do. Once you have the prompt, just put your stuffs inside. We have the image. Whoa, this is really good. Worlds apart. You see the old man, the man's cane on the icy mountain. You can use this too for artworks. You can even have a frame with this and it can be sold. It can be sold online. It can be sold real time. You can make it into physical frames and you can sell it online at the same time. What we are going to have here is this lion. Yes, combined. We're having the lion combined with the landscape. I say create a double exposure image of the lion with the savannah landscape visible inside the lion silhouette. You see, I combined both of them and this is really, really good. This is really, really good. So from here, we can just download this. You may want to create cinematic experience with this and animate because these things we have created, you can animate them for stories, for whatever you want to do. We'll have to pick a picture we have created already to animate. So we load it as an upload file on Google Flow and we open. And when we have it on Google Flow, we are going to add it to our prompt. And our prompt is going to be very simple. It is just a portrait. So we are just going to say, animate slight movement of the sun and the lion. Since we have written animate, you know it's a video, then we send. It's creating. Let's see the beautiful rendition it's going to bring for us. Yeah, it's creating already. And this is going to be real fast. Okay, we have the lion now and the silhouette. See the movement. This is really, really good. Let me make it bigger. Let's check it on the white screen. Now here it is. This is so cool. This is so beautiful. Go and use this now. Every prompt you have used, like I said, is in the description below. Go and create something. Till I see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.